Good morning, everybody. I just wanted to add a little bit of information to yesterday's video, which was that there was a secret update of the old XAir app, and it's now functional on iOS 16. If you didn't see that video, that's the situation. Quietly in the background while working on the new app, Behringer updated the old one. Anyway, I was curious why they did this, and I wondered what it meant for the new app they've been working on, MX Mix. So I reached out to Behringer and I said this. I said, I see you've quietly updated the old XR app to work with iOS 16. That's great, and I know many folks will appreciate having access to their mixer back, especially those who don't like or can't function on Mixing Station. I'm curious though what this means for the future of the MX Mix app in beta. Is that still moving forward? And so here was the answer from Gates on the Behringer beta team. He said, "Hi James, we will publish an announcement about that today or tomorrow, as we also updated the Android app." So there's news for you Android app users, it's been updated. The desktop apps and firmware. So I've yet to look and see what the new desktop app looks like, but I'm sure we'll do that in a follow-up video. He goes on to say, MX Mix will still become the successor to the XAir Mix app. The plan is to publish an early access version to the public to give everyone a chance to try it out while continuously growing the app until it reaches feature parity, meaning until they get it to the point where it has all the features that the old app had, all the features that everybody needs to function. XAir Mix will stay available for customers with really old iPads and Android devices, but new features and support for upcoming products will only be available in the new app. So that statement right there, that last sentence, paragraph, that makes a lot of sense to me. With them building a new app, they don't want to have to make it backwards compatible for a lot of the old iOS architecture. So it makes sense that they update the old one and then just leave it at a functioning level for all the old iPad users and old Android users, while focusing on moving forward with the new app. So that gives a little bit of clarity. I really wondered what they were up to. It was strange to have this secret update go on when everything's been such a big push for the new MX Mix app. But that sentence right there sort of clears it up. I don't know why they kept it secret. I think they could have been very transparent and said, look, we're working on getting this back up to speed. At the same time, we're working on the new app. I think a lot of us would feel a little better and have some more confidence in Behringer had they let us know they were working on it, instead of just playing the silent game and saying, MX Mix is coming, MX Mix is coming, all the while, you know, taking forever to work on it. And if you've been following my videos, you know it's been quite a while already. It's been 6 months or something, and we only have a new app that's 25% functional. Anyway, that aside, there's the information for you. This is why we have an update to the old app. If you haven't already updated, please do check that it's working. And I would strongly urge all of you who go back to using it, do a thorough test before you put yourself in a real world scenario, or have Mixing Station on your iPad as a backup. I haven't found a bug yet in the update, but you never know. And the last thing you want is to be caught in the middle of an event with an app that crashes on you again. So as I say, put it through the full test before you take it live, or have Mixing Station ready to go just in case. Anyway, that's it for today. I hope this was informative, and I hope you are happy about the app being updated. If this was entertaining, educational, informational, whatever, all those things, please like, share, subscribe. And until I see you next time, thanks for watching here on Quick and Easy Quickies. See ya.